Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing my first dupe video. She agrees. I'm going to be testing out these two together, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer against the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. One's going to be on one side of my face and one's going to be on the other side of my face. I'm going to do a wear test. I'm going to see if this one is a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm also going to be wearing them basically as foundation. I'm not going to wear any foundation. I'm just going to wear these on, I'm going to spot conceal my face, put it under my eyes on any red areas. I'm just going to lightly set it with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. I don't want to extend the wear in any primer or anything, so I'm just going to be going straight in with the concealers. The e.l.f. Camo Concealer is $5 and the Tarte Shape Tape is $27. I used my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I'm just going to use the e.l.f. side on this side of my face, and I'm going to use the Tarte one on this side of my face. Just going to be blending them out with my Real Technique sponge. So I'm just going to use one side for the e.l.f. and the other side for the Tarte, to make sure that I don't mix them or like help one last better than the other. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in first with my e.l.f. concealer. This is kind of what I do when I just want to add a little bit. I just want to put a little bit of makeup on my skin, but I don't want it to be too much. I just kind of spot conceal and in some areas and pretty much use it as foundation. My baby is making a bunch of noise. Okay. Guess I'm holding her while I do this. The e.l.f. one is a little bit more matte than the Tarte Shape Tape is. I hope you guys are liking my baby talking over my video. I don't know if it's just because it's been on for longer, but the e.l.f. one has fully dried down. I almost could get away with not powdering my face, and I actually wouldn't really mind it because it's not sticky. So it looks pretty good. It's not the best on my nose, and I have dry skin, by the way, and with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just going to lightly set my face. I just threw on a little bit of natural makeup, just so is 5:15. So I'm going to write the time down in my notes. I'm really excited to see how they wear together as foundation over, and also over my acne and everything. Let's just see what happens, and I will come and check it back with you guys. It is 7:48 And I have had this makeup on for about 2 hours, almost coming really very close to 3 hours. I have some rubbing off on my chin, so that's not too bad, but it's the same amount actually. Here on like this side, it's a little bit rubbed off here, and that's actually from the Tarte side mostly. You can kind of see a line of where the e.l.f. one is. On the e.l.f. side, you can see like there's like this line on across my nose of where like it exactly started right here, and it's still there. Like if you can see, and then if you turn to the Tarte side, it's rubbed off at on this side at the top. Honestly, right now I'm liking the e.l.f. side better than the Tarte side because it seems to be lasting actually a little bit better. I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, and I ended up not ending the video like about an hour or two, I would say, after I did that last check-in. My fiance looked at me and said, your face is like, it looks terrible now. Like it completely came off everywhere. On the side that I was wearing Tarte Shape Tape, it had worn off so much more than it did on the e.l.f. side. So I was really impressed and like surprised that the e.l.f. one wears better than the Tarte Shape Tape does. That is what happened at the end of the night that I didn't end up filming. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed my dupe video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.